Securing Europe's land and sea borders protects us against cross-border crime and ensures a smooth flow of people and goods. The Common Information Sharing Environment, or CISE, enables over 300 European and national authorities to share maritime surveillance information, enhancing situational awareness for better incident response and coordination of joint operations. Close cooperation between customs, border, and Coast Guard authorities, including Frontex, is key to achieving European integrated border management. Connector is supporting this by developing the Customs Extended Common Information Sharing Environment, or CISE. Fully interoperable with existing networks, it will enable closer cooperation and information exchange at all multi-agency levels. CISE will deliver an integrated shared risk assessment approach, with command and control system instances for each end-user group, ensuring effective management of EU external borders at operational, tactical, and strategic levels. It will facilitate information exchange at interagency and transnational levels. There are 7 key innovations that are central to everything we are doing in Connector. We will build on previous research outcomes and introduce state-of-the-art techniques and technological solutions to deliver these innovations, whilst continually focusing on the operational benefits to customs and border guards. 3 trials will be held in 2025 to test and validate all of the Connector solutions. Through technology, CISE will deliver a better decision support system, increased situational awareness, and closer cooperation between EU customs, border, and Coast Guard authorities and agencies, resulting in safer borders for Europe.